Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Monica, and for today I have a very quick video. This time it's gonna be an unboxing, and for this video I will have the Lookfantastic for March. The box looks like this, very cute. Always Lookfantastic has a great packaging. Here is the box for this month, and for those of you who like the Lookfantastic limited edition boxes, they will come pretty soon with the Easter box, the limited edition for Easter, which is a gorgeous box. If you want to check that, look on YouTube and you'll see the box for last year. It's a great box. The products are amazing as usual, so that will come soon. You can go on the Lookfantastic site and go to the waiting list, and they will send you an email when the box is available for sale. It's not yet, but it's gonna be probably in a couple days. So that is a great box. I suggest you to get that box because I got that box last year and I was really happy with that. Just full-size products in that. I don't remember how much was last year, probably around $70 or something like that, but it's a great box. So yeah, with this being said, let's go ahead what's in the Lookfantastic for March. And for this month we have I'm fantastic, you are fantastic, we are fantastic. Looks like this. Here is the card that comes every month. And also, because I never read the card, somehow I was looking on the back, and all the time on the back they will tell you one of the products that is gonna be in the next box. So actually for April we're gonna have a Glam Glow product, which is Glam Glow Super Matte Clearing Treatment. So in the next box, and this is the product, one of the products that are coming in the next box for April. So let's go ahead and see what we have for March. And as usual, the Elle magazine. Every month they send the last one. So for those who have time to read that, it's a great one. This time we have a pink paper with the Lookfantastic logo, and something is flying here. Let's see what's that. So far here's the box inside, and as far as I see, it's one item. It's one of my all-time favorite brands. This one is the OMOROVICZA, and this one is Balancing Moisturiser, which looks like this. I love the brand. It's quite expensive. What I like the most from them is the face mist #1. So the first item, it's a moisturizer from OMOROVICZA, and somewhere here should be some information. It's for face and neck. I'm not gonna read that anyway, but this is a face and neck moisturizer. The next product in here, it's a brush from Style London, which looks like this. I got a set of these brushes, I don't know, maybe a year ago, but I never used them because somebody was telling me that those brushes are just eating foundation. I didn't try them. I cannot tell you if it's like that or not. I'll try them and I'll let you know if it's like this or not. So this is the second product in the box. Then we have this one, which is from Renu Skin. This one is Advanced Anti-Aging Flash Relax Mask, which looks like this. And I'm looking for the brush. It doesn't say anything, doesn't have any number or something like that. So this one is for mature skin. I'm not sure if all the subscribers are gonna be happy with this. I don't know if everybody gets the same product. As far as I know, everybody gets the same products. If you're 20 years old, you might not like this. So I'm happy with this. It's a mask and we'll see how this one goes. Then another product in here, it's from Skimono, if I'm saying right, beauty mask. This is total conditioning, a deeply replenishing serum foot mask this time, which looks like this. I use those all the time. I like to use them as a replacement for the foot cream, which I use every night, so this is a good item for me. And I remember I got a face mask, I believe, exactly from the same brand, the same packaging, but that color was green, still in a Lookfantastic. So the next one here, it's from skinChemists, London, is Rose Quartz Defense Lip Plump, which looks like this. And here is the size, looks like a lip gloss. So we'll see how this one is. It has a very strong minty scent. So this one probably is going to be refreshing also. And the last product in the box is this one from Doucce, or whatever how you say it. We have here 78 Kate and 81 Tenley, if I'm saying that right. We have two eyeshadows. I'm smiling because I just put one of these in the video with no name yet. So is this one. And let me show you how is the color of this. So here is the first one, and then the second one, it's a little bit lighter, looks like this. So this is the second one. It's a little bit lighter than the other one, so you can make a smoky eye with those two colors. So yeah, this is all in the Lookfantastic for March. So far we have two eyeshadows from Doucce, the small size, two of them, but those are lasting forever. Those two, we have the OMOROVICZA Moisturiser, we have the mask, the face mask from Renu Skin, we have the brush, we have the lip plump, this one, and we have the foot mask. So far there are two products that I really like in this box. My favorite from this box is of course the OMOROVICZA one. So yeah, that's kind of all for this video. If you have the Lookfantastic box, let me know what do you like from this box, if you like the box or not. So far I really like the box. As I told you, they will have the Easter box limited edition in probably this week or next week. That's a really nice box with full-size products. The box itself it's gorgeous, looks like a head box, and you have 6 or 7 plastic eggs inside, and each one has one product. So it's really cute. I have the box from last year, was really nice. Great brands in that box. I remember last year was an Algenist full-size cream, was a shower gel from Molton Brown, if I'm saying right, and that's expensive also. What else? There were a couple more items, good sizes. Also was there a Ilamasqua primer, the best selling product from Ilamasqua, and couple more good products. So if you are interested in that box, go ahead and check on the Lookfantastic site, go on the waiting list and put your email there, and you'll know when the box comes from sale. So to make this video shorter, I just decided for the video without name, because most of the comments are going with the shade of the month. I decided to take the shade of the month for that video, but because I like the other names too, we need to find some videos to do for those names. So right now we're not looking for a name for a video, we're looking for a video for those names. So I was thinking about what was the name, the makeup monthly mood or something like that. I was thinking to, because I don't have a favorites products video, I was thinking to put that title to my to make another video which is gonna be with my favorite products, and to put that name on that video. So let me know what do you think about that. Thank you so much for all the suggestions. It was great. I got so many options, and you guys are the best. I really enjoy talking with you to the conversation box, to the comments box, and that's really nice. I have fun. This was fun for me also. So not just for choosing the name, but just keeping in touch with you. So yeah, for that video we're gonna go with the shade of the month. I'm thinking for favorites products video, and for that one I'm thinking for the other name that was that came from I believe Marie. I'm not really sure. Let me just check here because I don't want to say something wrong. So the monthly makeup mode, which came from Marie. So I like that one too also. So probably I'll, as I said, I'll put the favorites under that name. So thank you so much again. Thank you so much for being so close to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you pretty soon with another unboxing. You have a great day. Bye bye.